I would really say is try to avoid digging knives into your body. I had surgery, a scope on my knee, and it didn't do anything. It did, like I had the same pain. I'm Andy from Denver, Colorado. I'm 32 years old. Got in here from the parachute program. I've been having issues for quite a while, and I'm in insurance sales and marketing. So a lot of sitting at my desk, driving in a car, a little bit of golf. I like to stay athletic. Started with right knee pain. I had low back pain in my left low back, like a pinching, stretching feeling, hunching down feeling, shoulder winged on this side, neck pain. I've tried massage. I've done rolfing, ton of dry needling, cupping, and it's all short-term relief. And it eventually just goes straight back into exactly what the problem was before. I've seen probably 5 chiropractors at least, maybe more than that. A lot of cracking. I've heard my bones crack way too much in my life. I worked with Vincent. Like the first thing he would say throughout the entire process was, "What's your feedback? What are you feeling?" I can see him doing calculations in his head, but like eventually he's just testing. He's figuring out what the pattern is that needs to be fixed. I feel unbelievable right now. Like I haven't been able to do that for like years, and this is just after a week, and obviously I'm gonna have to keep doing it. The biggest thing that I learned is figuring out what the problem is, which is what these guys help you with. Having your muscles change that pattern rather than somebody else changing the pattern for you. I personally don't believe that surgery is necessary unless you've had a major accident. I would really say is, try to avoid digging knives into your body. I had surgery, a scope on my knee, and it didn't do anything. It did, like I had the same pain. It's difficult to figure out exactly what the problem is on your own at home. The videos are unbelievably helpful, but if you're having some serious problems, I would definitely recommend getting in here if you guys can. They're unbelievably helpful. Pain sucks, life shouldn't.